For building any gaming PC, your power supply must have to be very good and certified. In this particular video, I am going to give you unboxing and review of Gigabyte P450B 80 plus bronze certified 450 watt power supply for your computer or desktop, and because of it is bronze certified, so efficiency will be also very good. Hit the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notification of future videos. Also, you can join our channel membership starting at 59 rupees per month, where you can get exclusive shoutouts, and 159 rupees you will get exclusive live stream videos. If you want to make websites for your business, or if you want to promote your local offline business, log on to ovephonia.somtips.com now and order your project. I have bought it from Vedant Computer, which is basically in Kolkata. You can order it online or you can go to their retail shop. Also, you can buy it on the same price from Amazon. I will give paste by link in the description. Price will be vary around 2600 rupees to 3000 rupees. I have bought it around 2680 rupees, as you can see, and on that day it was also available on Amazon. It's around 2600 rupees. So you can buy it from any site, but I will give the Amazon link because the return policy will be good on Amazon right now. So here it is, the packing was very good from the Vedant Computer, and this is the retail pack of the Gigabyte P450B power supply, and here you can see it is written the model number and how it works. Everything is written, what is the power supply input and how much port is there, everything is written there. So I will also give you one by one description when I am going to unbox it. It is a power supply of 80 plus bronze certified power supply, so you will get a very good efficiency, and never ever your efficiency will be below 80% in any extreme usage. So here you can see 24 pin power pin is there, 8 pin CPU fan pin is there. There will be 6 SATA port. Yes, there will be total 6 SATA ports in 2 cables, and will be 3 Modbus pin. That's mean 3 pin where you can attach your any peripheral like your fan also you can connect. So in the box, so it will get a quick start guide or instruction manual you will get, but the problem with that power supply is that the cable, this cable which you will be given inside the box will be 16 ampere. Basically this is a geyser or any high usage power supply, 16 ampere this is given. Without in UPS or in our home, normally all the ports is around 6 ampere, so you have to again buy any converter from 16 to 6 ampere, or you have to buy any cable, or you have to use old power socket cable from old SMPS or any other thing, because this 16 ampere will not going to support in your UPS. So apart from that, everything is good. So here you can see there is a Gigabyte logo in the center of it. This is 120 mm almost silent fan is given there. Fan is very good. Total weight is also heavy with this power supply. There is serial number is written there. Do not tamper with it because it will give you 3 years of company or brand warranty. So everything is written, which volt, how many ampere will be given, and that's why they are calculating total 450 watt. One on-off switch is there in the back side, and also ventilation grill or air vent is also given there. So basically this fan will suck the air, because this is the inlet air. Fan will take the air and this grill will just throw the air. So in this way it will work. So if you are going to use this SMP as the exhaust of your cabinet, also you can have to mount it in that way. So all the cables are very good, they are giving, and this is basically non-modular power supply, so all the cable will be pre-attached, you cannot detach. So this is one problem, but the cable length is very good, cable quality is very good. It is a flat black cable. In this 2600 rupees you are getting black flat cable in 2020. I think this is pretty much big deal, and you can also go for it because other product in that price range are not 80 plus bronze certified. So that is the segment this product is going to be different from other product. And the socket here will get, this is the 8 pin CPU fan socket, 124 pin socket was there. Apart from that, this is basically the peripheral connector, or you can connect your fan, cabinet fan, you can connect it. So it is 12 volt, 5 volt, everything is there. This is PCI power supply or the graphics card power supply, everything is given there. Also there will be one pin or some extra pin also given that this is for a 8 pin. I don't know what it will be for working, because in my cabinet, in my setup, this pin is not going for any work. But the main important thing is they will get 6 SATA ports, 6 SATA power supply. So I don't know how many hard disks you are going to connect. I'm going to only collect 1 or 2, but they are giving 6 SATA port. So right now I'm going to attach it in my one open system, basically old system, to check something that power supply is working right now or not. So I have mounted it one temporary cabinet, and here you can see this open system power supply is given. It is also going to support in your old power supply, where the 6 or 4 power supply pin for the CPU fan is given there. So you can also everything you can connect. So this is basically open system, and here you can see I have connected 3 12-volt fans, and this is basically ultra silent fan, almost silent. The fan is also auto adjustable depending upon your load or wattage usage. So on low load it will be fan will be very silent, and heavy load it will be fan speed will increase. So here you can see when everything system is running, the USB 5-volt output is 5-volt, 5.09 volt it is showing in the meter. So everything is working good in this power supply. And here you can see also 12-volt output is also giving you exactly 12-volt on load, or basically 3 fans is working, hard disk and one system is also working. So here you can see I'm going to boot up this computer basically just for testing. Here you can see the computer is also starting. There is no problem at all. So right now I'm going to test whether there is any leakage current or AC current, you are getting shock or anything, something leakage current is there. So here you can see in the ground there is no leakage current at all. I have tested every peripheral. Here you can see motherboard I am testing, the heatsink I have tested, USB shield I have tested. Everywhere there is not at all any leakage current or AC current is there. So but in the wire you can see there is some current, but in the direct or non-direct, indirect, any power leakage was not there. So definitely you can use it and there is no shock problem. Remember, your home or connection, electric connection must have very good earthing. So that's pretty much in this video in the review of P450B power supply 450 watt from Gigabyte, which is bronze certified. If you have any question and query, you can always ask in the comment section. If you want to buy this particular product, I will give the best buy link in the description. Do buy from there. That's all for this video. I am going to build another PC build using this power supply. If you want to watch it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. I am going to meet you with you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and be safe.